A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear listeners. Today I am talking about diversity. Diversity is really beautiful phenomena of this universe. Almighty Allah created various creatures, and even in human beings, this is what which is accepted by Him. This is why we see many religions in the world, and many races, many sects, castes, and it doesn't mean that we should be competing with each other in conflict, and we should be getting out of our homes and what our premises are, and then starting fighting with each other, direct fight or indirect fight in arguments or whatever it is. The diversity in things make the thing beautiful. If there would have not been night, then the value of day would have vanished in this world. This is true about the colors as well. The white color is valued because of the existence of dark color, and the same way, if there are white people in the world, they are beautiful, they are looking attractive because of the black, and black is its own beauty, because you know that Almighty Allah has given beautification to His home, to His house Kaaba Sharif, by the black color. The same way we see in even brothers and sisters, siblings, we see that according to the law of I'm just forgetting that person's name. Just please tell me the name of that person. What was the name of that scientist who told about the the offshoots of same parents keep different qualities? His name was, what was his name, Mr. Muhammad?
Mental.
No, you are also forgetting his name. Anyhow, I will be telling you his name just out of my mind. I don't know that why it is happened. Otherwise, I don't forget the things which I present. Anyhow, Mendel, perhaps his name was Mendel, who presented the law that George Mendel, yes, of course, he presented the law that offshoots of same parents have different qualities now, and they are different from each other. And he did this experiments on the plant, pea plant, yes, of course, and where each and every offshoot of the same plant was of different color. The same way, these are the things which makes the things acceptable and beautiful. And you know that if there would have not been for that matter hell, then paradise would have not been beautiful to that extent. This is the present of hell which makes the paradise more beautiful, more attractive, and more appealing to the humanity, and give a kind of attention of the human beings, that they will have beautiful place to live in the world oft. Coming back to the even in religion Islam, we have four schools of thought which are acceptable, and which are this is also kind of diversity, and all of them are in according with the mechanisms of Islam. They are hidden, or they are they are in outer Sharia, which is evidence to the society, and the one which is inner, that is the four chains, the Chishtiya chain, the Naqshbandiya chain, the Sohrawardiya chain, and the Qadriya chain. This is also beautification of and a phenomena of diversity in the love, in the closeness to Almighty Allah. Thank you very much. I will finish it here, and I'm new in the field, and inshallah the things will be better with passage of time. Thank you very much for your precious time and for listening me so attentively. I am really grateful. Thank you.